Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an SMS marketing campaign with Twilio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start an SMS marketing campaign with Twilio, begin by creating a Twilio account. Go to the Twilio website and click on Sign Up. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is confirmed, log in to your Twilio dashboard. Navigate to the Phone Numbers section in the left-hand menu. Click on Get a Number to acquire a dedicated phone number for SMS messaging. Choose a number that suits your needs and click Buy. Next, move to the Messaging tab in your dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to set up a messaging service. Click on Create a Messaging Service. Name your service and configure the settings. Next, you need to set up your SMS flow. Visit the Twilio Studio dashboard to create a new flow. Drag and drop the Send Message widget into the flow. Connect it to the trigger you prefer, such as Incoming Message. Configure the message that will be sent to recipients. Now, you need to integrate your contact list. Gather the phone numbers of You can either upload a CSV file or use the Twilio API to manage contacts programmatically. Next, it's time to test your setup. Send a test SMS to your number to ensure everything is working properly. Check the Twilio console for any errors or logs regarding the test message. Once testing is complete, prepare your campaign message. Keep your content concise, relevant, and compliant with local regulations. Schedule your message or send it immediately based on your campaign strategy. Monitor the engagement metrics provided by Twilio to assess the performance of your campaign. Gather insights on open rates, click-through rates, and user responses. Adjust your strategy as needed based on the analytics. With these steps completed, you will have successfully set up your SMS marketing campaign using Twilio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.